Hello, I started this a little too late, but I'm pretty excited. I have a 500 gig hard drive by Western Digital that I'm going to put into my PlayStation 3. Right now I am currently taking all the information from my PlayStation 3 and putting it on my hard drive right there, my external hard drive. And this is almost finished, and I will video me taking things out and putting things in, and hopefully it works well. I'm pretty stoked. Hopefully get some movies on there, and certainly be able to keep all the games that I have. Now, there's been so many games coming out recently, so this is a fan's view, not just some guy showing you how to do it just because he wants to show you. This is a guy that's really excited about the extra space and this awesome hard drive that I'm about to put into my PlayStation 3. So we'll see, you'll see it here. Bye. Alright, the backup is complete. So now I'm going to unhook everything. I don't know how perfect this is or anything, but unhooking everything. Let me back off real quick here. Here is my hard drive that I had everything saved to. We turn off the PlayStation. Okay. And then I will unhook the cables. I'm currently in a faraway country with my PlayStation 3, so I don't have all the good cables that would be good to have, but I do have what I want, which is a 500 gig hard drive. And so let's see here. Alright, now my tools for showing this aren't the best. My tools for removing this are not the best, but I will try hard to make a decent video so that you can see how this works. First off, I need to remove this cover. So I'm going to get a screwdriver. But unfortunately, because I am in a far away country, like I said, I do not have very good tools like I would like to have, which probably isn't smart, but it's what you have to do in a faraway country. So I'll pop this off. Alright. So now that is no longer there. And as you can see, there is one screw, this blue screw is what we're going to focus on, and this right here, this little guy, the little pull out thinger, that's going to help us to actually pull the disc holder, I don't know what they call it, caddy. So let's go ahead and unscrew the blue screw. Get the right tool here. Well, this I need to tell you, make sure you have some small tools. I'm going to have to come back one moment. Alright, well, in camera time it's been really no time, but in my life it's been a full day. Why? Because this will not work. Before you do this, get the right tools. So, I went ahead and purchased the right tools today to do the job. Right. So, here we go. There we go. One moment. Let me set this in a spot where you can see it. Alright, there is the screw, and if you look, it's a little stripped. That's my fault. It's a little stripped because I was so excited. So let's get this done right. Alright, look, this right here, the little guy, this is the tool that you want. Look how easy it is. Okay. Get out of there. Alright. So, there's the screw that you don't care much about, but I'll show you anyway. Do not lose it. And then take this and pull it over and out. And there, got blowing a little bit, is my Seagate 60GB hard drive. Alright, so let me move this way so I can show you the next step. There are 4 screws in this. One here, here, and here, and here. I'm sure you've seen that. Now pay attention to where this is, the eSATA connection port, because you don't want to have it the wrong way. So, let's go ahead and unscrew these very tight. Very tight. Goodness gracious. They're extremely tight. I'm not a wimp, but they're killing me here. Alright. Alright, finally, I got the muscle to do this. I'm not a wimp, but this is very tough. Make sure you get the exact fit, or you will do that. Now I'm going to have a hard time with this screw. Alright, once you finally get everything out of there, here's the 4 screws. It takes a little bit of work, but you can do it. Then you just slide it out. Okay? Now I'm going to go ahead and stick this in, just so it looks like it. Here you go. Here's my old one, 60 gig. Here's my new one, 500 gig. See. Alright. Let me just toss this over here. It'll be good to keep that in case I need it for any purpose. So just stick this right back in there. And as you can see, there's a little place for the screws. Going to put the screws right back in where I got them. Alright. Do this in a quick fashion so that you don't have to see it all. I'm sure you get the point.